So I'm not sure if you're like me, but I'm a designer, developer, programmer, musician, do all that stuff, right? I do work on Photoshop, Illustrator, basically all the multimedia stuff. And I need to have a good mouse to work with, if I'm on the road. So using the stupid thing that comes in your laptop, the trackpad, whatever you want to call it, it doesn't work. It's too slow. You can't really get things done with it. So, anyways, the reason why I like this mouse instead of any other mouses, mice, whatever you want to call them, again, I'm just gonna say mice, I think, is that it has this hyper fast scrolling, and I think it's only a Logitech thing. I'm not sure if they patented it or whatever, but I haven't seen any other one that does this. I've looked on Amazon. I've searched actually so many different places. None of them did that. So this, I would say, is the advantage, and it helps a lot when you're scrolling through code, for example, when I program websites or whatever. It just helps so much. Generally, like, this is one of those things that it's not like I can't live without it, but when I find myself using a mouse that doesn't have it, it's just one of those things like, oh, I have to keep scrolling. So very nice to have. I wouldn't say a must, but it's close to being a must. Again, I'm not sure if they patented it. That's the reason why. But yeah, hyper fast scrolling is one of those things, and you press this button right here to kind of activate that. So generally, if you're just scrolling, it's just a regular one like any other mouse, but press this and it's like poof, poof, just poof, flies through. Yeah, it has the small USB thing in your laptop or whatever. You can plug it in, and a few other things. So it says it has 7 customizable buttons, but I don't remember seeing 7. There's only like 2, 4. Yeah, just 4. Maybe 5 actually. The mouse thing is also a click, which, yeah. So I'm gonna, I want to see what the 7 buttons are, because it doesn't. Anyway, back and forward buttons, huge. If you're on a laptop and you're just even browsing on your whatever, Firefox, Chrome, whatever you use, if you're just browsing and you keep going back to hit the back button, I'm sorry, but you know what? You shouldn't be watching my videos. Like, what? Why? Use a mouse that has back and forward buttons. This is just so easy. Like, back, forward, done. Even if it's just a back button, man, save yourself some time. Like, 5 seconds is still a long time. I can do so much more with 5 seconds. Look, watch this for 5 seconds. Okay, see, that was 5 seconds. You just wasted 5 seconds for nothing. Anyways, you get my point. Back and forward buttons, huge. Why not? I think every mouse should have that. If it doesn't have that, don't buy it. Like, seriously, just don't waste your money. Yeah. Anyways, up and down, left and right. You know what? Let me go back to the back and forward, because they're so important. I don't get why it doesn't do that. So it's one of those things where if I'm working on anything, like I said, even just the browser, even if forget the browser, forget the internet. You're on your folders, going back and forth between folders and opening this folder and that folder. Just going back and forth so much faster than moving your mouse, clicking back, moving it to the forward. You know what? Even if you're like alt back and whatever, keyboard shortcuts, yeah, they're nice, but I'm guaranteed 100% you're using your mouse still. So, you know what? If you're using a mouse, you should be using the back and forth buttons instead of alt. I tried to do the keyboard mouse thing. It doesn't work. You know what? Mouse is better. Anyways. Man, back and forward buttons. So, the thing is, this guy right here, the scroller, it's nice because it has up and down and left to right. And when I'm developing websites on mobile, for example, this is one of those nice things that I want to sometimes double check if it actually scrolls to the left and right, or if you're on a music track or editing a video and one of those things. And you know what? You can assign that stuff. I think you can still assign it. I'm not sure. But yeah, it goes left and right, not just up and down. Beauty. When a mouse doesn't do that, again, it's not like, oh my God, it doesn't do that. It's really nice to have. And sometimes the nice to have becomes a must, a necessity. Yeah, I want to say about those 7 buttons though, because I don't believe that. But nice that it comes with 2 batteries. Again, the link is down below, because you know what? Batteries are nice to have. They're free. Yeah, so again, I have this mouse at my work and on my at home, but I've just recently bought it for my laptop because I wasn't using my laptop before but now I am, I guess it's, so yeah. So, you know, batteries again, and this is what the bottom of the mouse looks like. That's what the front looks like. You can just see the pictures, I don't care. So anyways, back and forth buttons. Yeah, see? Do you see them? Yeah. You know, I know the focus is not right, but I don't care. Click it. Super active. You don't click it. Oh yeah, actually that was not clicked at first, but look. See this? Listen. Yeah, it's so nice. And again, I don't know if they've patented this thing, but left and right, the HyperScroll, and the mouse button or the scroller thing is a clicker. So if I'm on Cinema 4D, for example, a 3D program, for those who don't know, it's nice that this is the mouse middle click. Yeah. You know what? Again, and it's a laser. I should have mentioned this. I guess it's a laser mouse, by the way. Bluetooth connection as well, I think. I'm not sure, you know what, to be honest, but it says 36 months. I don't know, 3 years for this? I don't think so. Depends, I guess, how much you use it, but if you're not a heavy user, maybe 3 years. Yeah, where is this? Oh, I guess it's in the... Oh, you know what? My bad. So when you open this thing, here's that mouse thing, which is nice. You keep it here when you're traveling, and you put your batteries in, and boom. Yeah, so 7 buttons. I don't know about this, but it doesn't even show you. You know what? I'm gonna call it end of the video because I don't think there are 7 buttons. I'm not. You know, I can see there's no 7 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just false advertising. Anyways, great mouse. I don't think I can talk about it more than this. So this is pretty much the end of the video. You should be getting this mouse. You know, if you're anything like me, where you're doing a whole bunch of, even like just a web designer, just a web developer, if you just edit videos, you know, on Premiere or whatever, even on Max, it's a great mouse to have, honestly. And back and forward buttons, even if you're none of these people, if you're just a regular average Joe using the computer, the laptop, browse documents, back and forward button, man, huge. And this hyper thing, yeah, this is so nice. Imagine a long Excel sheet, or you know, Word document, whatever. Yeah, you can scroll to this baby. And yeah, I know you're gonna tell me you can middle click and then scroll, but your scrolling is still gonna be garbage, or I mean, move the mouse down or up. This is just really nice to have, you know, I don't care. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so already. Hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.